Replacing a door in your home might seem like a simple upgrade, but it plays a major role in comfort, security, and curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, installing a new patio door, or replacing a worn interior door, avoiding a few common mistakes can save you time, money, and frustration. Homeowners in Tuscaloosa often face unique climate challenges, heat, humidity, and seasonal storms, which makes choosing and installing the right door especially important. Here are the most frequent mistakes to avoid and how to make your door replacement project a success. Choosing the wrong type of door for the climate. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting a door based solely on appearance without thinking about long-term performance. Tuscaloosa's hot summers, high humidity, and occasional severe weather mean not every door material will hold up the same. For example, solid wood doors provide beauty and character but can warp or swell in humid weather if not properly sealed. Steel doors offer great security but may dent or rust if scratched and left untreated. Fiberglass doors tend to perform best in Alabama's climate, resisting moisture, warping, and temperature fluctuations. Matching the material to the climate ensures durability and helps maintain energy efficiency year-round. Skipping proper measurements. A simple mismeasurement can become a costly problem. Many homeowners assume that standard door sizes will fit their home, only to discover that small variations in frame depth or rough opening dimensions make installation difficult. Even a quarter-inch difference can cause drafts, sticking, or poor sealing. Accurate measuring includes the width and height of the rough opening, the jamb depth, the swing direction, the thickness of the existing door. When in doubt, it's always best to have measurements verified by a professional before ordering. Ignoring energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is often overlooked, but it matters, especially in humid southern climates where air conditioning runs for much of the year. A poorly insulated or improperly sealed door can allow air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. For the best results, choose doors with energy-efficient cores, proper weather stripping, insulated glass for entry or patio doors, a tight seal around the frame. This not only helps with comfort but can also reduce monthly energy costs. Overlooking the importance of the frame. Homeowners sometimes assume the new door will perform well as long as the slab looks great, but the frame plays a major role in security, insulation, and weather protection. An old or rotted frame can allow moisture inside, compromise stability, and weaken your door's overall structure. When replacing your door, inspect the frame carefully. If there are signs of rot, mold, or warping, it should be replaced along with the door. A fresh frame ensures the door sits correctly and seals as intended. Attempting a complex installation without experience. DIY projects can be rewarding, but door replacement can involve more than people realize. Handling trim, leveling the frame, installing weather stripping, and ensuring proper swing direction require precision. If the door is even slightly out of alignment, you can end up with sticking hinges, gaps, or premature wear. Hiring a professional door installer in Tuscaloosa ensures the job is done correctly and safely while saving you from potential rework costs down the line. Forgetting about aesthetic compatibility. Function matters, but so does curb appeal. A door that clashes with your home's architectural style can throw off your home's overall look. Before choosing a style, consider your home's color palette, trim details, and exterior accents. This ensures your new door enhances both beauty and resale value. Final thoughts. Door replacement is a smart investment for homeowners in Tuscaloosa, especially when done with careful planning and proper materials. By avoiding these common mistakes, choosing the wrong material, skipping measurements, ignoring efficiency, overlooking the frame, attempting complex DIY installs, or mismatching the style, you can enjoy a smooth installation and a door that performs beautifully for years to come. Taking the time to plan your project the right way will improve your home's comfort, security, and appearance, helping ensure long-lasting results.